Good morning peeps, it is day 15. I feel so much better today. I'm just walking back from the cabin. I so needed that, so thanks, a huge thanks to Bethany, Lou and Mark. You guys rock. Without those I would have struggled and, you know, watched a bit of Netflix. I fell asleep as soon as I got back from dinner last night, and I slept through the night, which is the first time that I've actually slept through the whole night. So I've got my washing, and today it's time to do some chores. So I've got washing, resupply, I need to buy some food for the next 5 days, and I need to buy a walking pole and some other bits and bobs as well. But first of all, I need to pick up my box from the post office. I'm out of breath going uphill, crazy. Right, I'll catch you in a little while. So Americans call this jelly, but English and Australians call it jam. As you can see, this is my food bag. It is tight, so there's no more room in there. So I've had to take my food and decant it. So we have peanut butter and banana oatmeal. We have mashed potato with gravy and beef. We have risotto with chicken. And the last one is fettuccine alfredo with chicken. So a big thank you to Julie and also to Gillian and Grace for that. Cheers mate, bye!
Deep within, here we go, but somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end? Before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean, so this reaching for.
They're so fluffy.
All of the angles.
Cheers, thank you. Oh, he likes that.
But still I see you, sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part.
In the hot tub, in the hot tub.
Hold my breath, looking up.